Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a digital terrain model DTM from 3D contour lines in Rhino. If you don't know how to download these contour lines I use in this video, just go to TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. I have opened the TopoExport file, and as you can see, TopoExport already provides a 3D mesh model of the terrain. In this tutorial, I will generate a surface from the contour lines, so you can take advantage of the Rhino's surface editing tools. Now, select all the contour lines by right-clicking on the contour layer and choose Select Objects. Instead of creating a patch directly, I will first enable the contour points. To do that, type the command PointOn. Next, to select the points, type SelPt. Finally, tap the command Patch. At this stage, we need to find the right balance between accuracy and mesh density. Most of the time, I recommend you using the default settings. Click OK. And here we go. The surface has been generated correctly. Now I will create a new layer called Ground V2 and move the new topography into it. To finish, I can turn on building layers to give more context to my 3D model. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rhino tutorials.